In this video, I want to explain about the simplification of POS format, product of sum temp format Boolean function by using the K maps. Okay, fine. Let us go to the K map representation for the sum temps. You know that here min temps and max temps are quite inversion to one to each other. In max term combination, 0 represent the regular signal and 1 represent the inversion signal. As well, you will get the first cell value m0 will be a plus b plus c. Here also 0 0 will become a b plus c. Now let us go to the min term combination. Actually, how it is. Let us go to the one explanation regarding the relation between min term to the max term. Here I am taking in case 0 0 representing in the form of a dash and b dash in min term combination. In max term combination, if you apply the inversion for this a dash and b dash, will convert into the max term. So how can it is apply the De Morgan's law? Here the term value 0 0 term 1 in min term combination, the value is a dash b dash. Apply the inversion for that. Then what could be happen? The value will become, after you apply the De Morgan's law, here it is an AND gate. AND gate will get will convert it to the OR gate, and already there is a inversion, so that already there is a one first inversion, and B also already have a one has a one first inversion. After apply the distributive law, you will get the two inversions for these two signals. Okay, then final answer will be two inversions are get cancelled. You will get a plus b. Now see, a dash b dash will become a plus b in a max term combination. This is a max term value, so this is a min term value. Similarly, b c will become b dash c dash will become b plus c, and it could be applied for the every signal of a K map, 3 variable K map. Accordingly, you will get the value of m0 will become a plus b plus c. Now what is the m0 small m0 value? A dash b dash and c dash. If you apply the inversion for that corresponding min term, then what could be happen? Apply the De Morgan's law. Similarly, apply the De Morgan's law. So then what could be happen? A dash plus b dash plus c dash, and after you apply the De Morgan's law, and these you will get the two number of inversions, and they will get cancelled. The final result of this corresponding calculation will be a plus b plus c. Is it okay? Now this is a min term of m0, small m0, but after you apply the inversion, the term is converted to the a plus b plus c. After you apply the inversion, we need to apply the De Morgan's law. The De Morgan's law convert the AND gate to the OR gate, OR gate to the AND gate, and accordingly you will get the value as a plus b plus c. Okay, here you are getting a plus b plus c. So this is a relation between min term to the max term. This is a min term, the respect to max term. This is a min term, the respect to max term. Okay, and the same thing will continue in a 4 variable K map also. Okay, let us solve some questions for 3 variable POS formatted K map. Here the first question, here I want to explain very simple and very few number of questions, because we already discussed the many problems with the min term combination. There is no change in rule of mapping. The changes you can see only the combination of min term to the max term. That's it. The remaining all rules are common for both kind of maps. Okay, now let us go to the 0 1 here, and you must be remember the selection of cell also inversion to the min term. The selection of cells in a as like in SOP format, min term format, how we are selecting with the by putting 1. But here we should not do that. You after what is the inversion of 1? Inversion of 1 value will become a 0. If you take a inversion to the 1 value, the result is become a 0. So that we have to take the 0 to select the max term cells. 0 for select the max term cell. So that 0 is selected. You need to select that 0 value with the 0 cell with 0 representation, and 1 also selected. Then you have to put the 0. And 2 also selected, you have to put this 0 here also. Then 5 also selected, 6 selected, and 7 also selected, and these are the selected term in this problem. Then let us do the mapping. There is no change the rules of mapping all rules are common, then simply we need to go for the maximum cell combination, the group with the maximum cell combination. If not possible, try with overlap. Even it is not possible, then you go to the lower level mapping. Okay, now here I want to try with 0 and 1 combination. Easily we can understand that there is a 2 cell mapping can able to create. If you try with in other combinations, we need to try with other combination to make it is a maximum cell grouping. But if it is possible, you can also verify with the folding of paper. If I fold the paper, 2 and 6 can able to map, but 4 is not selected, so that 4 cell will not possible. If 4 also selected, then easily we can able to perform the 0 4 plus 2 and 6 as a 4 cell grouping, but 4 is not selected, so it is not possible. There is only one alternate to make 2 cell group, and we should not do this kind of grouping. This is a illegal grouping. We should not do it, so that the final group will become 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay, one group has been completed. Then let us go to the 2 and 6. And you may be think that, sir, we can able to do with in a folding paper concept, we can map the edges. Okay, you can do it, but already if you take the combination with the 2 and 6 without overlap, we can able to do the 2 cell grouping. So first our priority should give for without overlap maximum cell grouping. Second priority should give with overlap maximum cell grouping. Okay, second priority we should give for with overlapping maximum cell grouping. But if you take a combination of 2 and 0, it is create the overlap with the previous created group, so that you should not take such kind of recommendations. Okay, you do with, because if you take the 2 and 6 mapping, also create the 2 cell grouping. If you take the 2 and 0, also will create the same 2 cell grouping. There is no increasing of cell number of cells. The count is common as like a 2 only. Then why should we go to the like a overlapping concept? No need to go. So directly we can able to create the 2 cell grouping without overlap. Even you take the overlap, it is also create the 2 cell grouping. There is no use with overlap. Without overlap only we can able to create the same count of cell grouping. Okay, so that better to choose the first priority without overlap. Okay, then if it is not possible, then go for the overlap. Then after that 5 and 7. So 5 and 7, after looking to the 5 and 7, you may be think that 5 7 6 can we do the mapping? Is it right mapping? Will become a right mapping? So we should not do it, because it is a 3 cell grouping, never recommended in the K-map. K-map grouping always should be 2 exponent value. 2 to the power of 0 will become 1. 1 cell group we can able to do. 2 to the power of 1, 2 cell grouping we can able to do. 2 cell grouping, and next one is a 4 cell grouping, next one is a 8 cell grouping. So these number of cells we need to go with the grouping. But here there are 3 cells are there. Maybe it is a maybe it is a adjacent to one to each other, but the count is 3, so we should not do it. Now we have to take as a 1 2 cell group. 1 2 cell group. Now see, there are 6 cells are selected totally, but all are created the 2 cell grouping only. All are created in a 2 cell grouping. So now let us write the answer for it. This problem is somewhat different. Now let us write the answer. The first answer for this cell, 0 and 1. What is the 0 and 1? You go to this map, 0 and 1, who are common? A comma B are common. Then you need to write answer as A plus B. In min-term combination you are writing AB, but here it is a plus B. Okay, A plus B is the answer for the first group. Second group, you go to this group, 2 and 6. Which one is a common? B dash C is common, so you have to write B dash and plus C. Now next common value is become 5 comma 7. 5 comma 7, who are common? A dash C dash are A dash and C dash are common. A dash plus C dash are common. Okay, now all group answers are created, are identified. Then after you write a function as the output. What is your function output after you minimization by using the K-map? F of A comma B comma C will be first one A plus B. Okay, into we should take as a sum product of sum term. Each sum term should be producted one to each other, so that A dash plus next value A dash plus C dash. next one b dash plus c. So this is the answer for the given Boolean function. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. 0 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, 0 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, so 0 is selected. How to select? We need to select with the representing of 0, 0, 1 and 2. And this problem, this kind of grouping we already practiced in a sum of product combination K maps. Okay, now let us do the grouping. Now you already know that when you go to the mapping, first you need to select the easy grouping. It is very easy one, 0 comma 1 combination cell. Okay, fine. Now we need to think about the cells which are not in the group. And who is not in the group? 0 only not in the group. Now you have to think the maximum alternates for it. The first alternate with 3 combination we can able to group, but there is no 3 is selected. 7 also not selected. 6 also not selected. What is the alternate? If you fold the paper with the overlap, we can able to do the edge mapping. Okay, so with overlap, but it is a overlap, no worry. So then what are the final answers? Here I am taking with different color for overlapping. Now answer will be, the first group answer is 0 comma 1. Who are common? A plus B is common. A plus B. Okay, what is the second one? Second, with overlap with edge combination, 0 comma 2. A B not common. A C is common. A plus C is common. A plus C is common. Okay, now write the answer for the given Boolean function. Here I am writing. Okay, f of a comma b comma c will be, okay, a plus b into a plus c. That's it. Okay, now this is the answer for the given Boolean function. Let us go to the third one. 1 2 3 7. 1 2 3 7. 1 2 3. And this problem also very well known one and very important also. Okay, now from this problem let us do the mapping, and very important one. So whenever you go to the 1, we can able to create the mapping of these 3, but we should not go for the recommending, we should not go with the 3 cell 5 cell 6 cell mapping. We should go with 0 2 4 8. So it could not possible. Simply we can split that into 2 grouping. Okay, now 2 cell grouping has been completed. Let us go to the next one, next grouping. I am thinking now you need to think about the cells which are not in the group. Who are not in the group? 7 and 2. So initially I want to go with the 7. Can you do the alternate? Can I do this kind of mapping? This is a wrong direction, and it is not recommended. Okay, this nothing but it seems like a diagonal. So but diagonal mapping is not recommended and is a wrong mapping. We should not do it. What is alternate? We should go with only adjacents with overlap. Yes, you can able to do it. Now last one, last 7 also there is no alternate with the other adjacent like a 5 and 6, only one adjacent 3, but already it is in the mapping. But even you can able to take this mapping. See, the cell 3 overlapped how many number of times? 3 number of times. So that one cell can able to overlap with any number of times, 5 times 6 times 10 times, nothing to worry. For our good mapping, we can able to take the support of any cell with any number of mapping, many number of mappings. We can include in a many number of mappings. Here 3 cell is included in a 3 groups, so there is nothing to worry about that. Now take the answers. The first group answer will be 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. Who are common? A C dash is common, so answer will be A C dash. A plus C dash. A plus C dash. What is the next answer for red color group? 3 2. 3 2. AC. A B dash is common. A B dash is common. The next here 3 7 3 7 for 3 7 b dash c dash is common plus c dash is common. Now you write the answer. The answer for the given Boolean function will be f of a comma b comma c will be a plus c dash into a plus b dash into b dash plus c dash. So this is the answer for the given Boolean function. Okay, then next and 3 problems are completed, but in case there is a one thing you must be remember. In case all cells are selected in this given POS formatted K map, all cells are selected, nothing but all are selected. Here 0 selected, 1 4 5 6 7 all are selected. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? Here this one also selected, this one, and all are selected. All are selected. Then the map result is become 0. Okay, map result will become 0. Simply you remember that whenever you go to the all cells are selected in the SOP format, the answer is 1, but POS format the answer will be 0. So because that is an inversion to the SOP format. Okay, whenever all cells are selected, the answer will be 0. You must be remember this point. Okay, so this is a brief discussion about the 3 variable POS format K map simplification. Next video we will discuss about the 4 variable.